So yesterday we had a drawing exercise, and that was just to have you practice some method of getting better with your sketching. Now, let's relate it to what we're learning here. We are in the stage where we want to draw out designs so that we have something to pursue. We're trying to get those creative juices flowing by drawing quick sketches of things. Now, in the brainstorming phase of a project, the focus is on quantity, not quality. It may be the only time that your teacher tells you, I don't want quality work, I want a lot of it. So, when you have a problem defined, your mission is to set aside time and sketch out all the different possibilities for something. Kind of like we did with our cell phone project, and I drew out like 5 different versions to solve one problem. We want to practice getting quick ideas on paper. Your sketches do not need to be detailed. I can't stress that enough. You're just trying to get a thought out onto your page. So what I like to do, I like to sketch out things that try different methods of achieving the same goal. I also like to try and think of what extra features I can add, and my sketches usually include words to help describe. Now, each of these pictures shouldn't take more than 30 seconds. It's very quick. And so the brainstorming task I have for you today, here is the problem. This is a hypothetical situation. Backpacks. Everybody uses backpacks, and there's lots of different types out there. You have some that are meant for hiking, you have some that are meant for school, you have some that are just going back and forth from work. And there's a lot of different possibilities in the way you can set up a backpack. How many pockets, color schemes, features, like whether or not it has a solar panel to charge electronics. Anyway, your task today, I want you to draw 10 different sketches of backpacks. These are going to be quick pictures. They don't have to be large, but I want you to set aside 5 to 10 minutes just drawing different types of backpacks that could be possible. Think about things that you would want in a backpack. What should it be able to hold? What should it be able to do? Should it utilize different parts of your body than just your back, like wrap around? These are all different ways that you could approach making a new backpack. The purpose of this is that once you've laid out 10 different ideas, you can then identify what things you like most in these different pictures. So, once again, quantity, not quality, and not detailed. I ramble a lot, so I'm just going to summarize one more time. I want you to sketch out 10 different ideas for a backpack. Good luck.